Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have in here. This is an emergency light. It's a dual head emergency light. So this is kind of what it looks like here. This is the instructions. I'm gonna explain it to you for a second, and then we will give it a try. So this here is the apparatus. So this is how it'll be installed, and you can adjust the lights before you do that, so you can adjust the lights pretty much to aim however you want. They can aim down or around or whatever. And then what you'll do is you'll take this will be mounted to the wall. And then you probably need to drill out this little dot here to run your wires, to get your cables through it. And then you'll just hook it up there through your AC wires and whatever. I had to go and connect up in the battery there to make it go. We have a test button on there, but the way it will work is it'll all just be put together here. Let me go ahead and do this here. So this will be in there and there. Let's see where we at here. Well, I'm having a difficult time. I think I need to do it while it's just down on something, but you get the idea here. Let me just put it here. Okay, there we go. I got it there. So now it'll be like that, and you can aim these things however you want. You'll have this cover back over it, and then you can push the test button here. Probably not going to do anything because there's no charge, there's no power or anything like that right now, but you get the idea. And then you can have some emergency lights mounted anywhere. So in a house, maybe not quite as useful, but maybe I could put it outside a garage door or something like that, just so it'll be on in an emergency when the power goes out or whatever. So pretty cool, nice little setup here, and it's got the communications wires and everything else inside of it to connect it up. It even came with the little wire nuts and the screws to attach it, and even a little foam things to make it waterproof. So pretty cool. You can see there to install it, you'll just drill the hole through to the junction box, and then plugging in the wire, the battery wire, and basically it's ready to go. So super easy to do, and I'm gonna say I like it. Thumbs up if you need a emergency light. This looks like a nice, good, solid one here. It's got lots of LEDs in there. It'll be nice and bright when you need it. So totally cool. Yeah, really nice little setup. Very good.